you to understand rule number 5. Okay, rule number 5. Okay, the same many question I want to ask you is what is the rule number 5? Okay. What is the rule number 5? Who can help me to answer right now? Okay, because raise a hand. Okay. Anything else? Someone else? Okay. Okay, Miss Mo.
Okay. Rule number 5 is use point of view.
Point of view. Okay.
Stories.
Use point of
View stories. Or mini stories.
Okay, all mini story the same. That's we call POV. Okay, POV. Point of view story. Okay, and next question is, what does this mean? What does this mean? Okay, what does this mean? And you can find out in your textbook and answer my question. What does this mean? Quickly, right? What does this mean? Point of view story. Get POV. Point of view stories. Change. You change. Who can help me? Okay? Who can raise a hand? You can find out the textbook to answer my question. Okay? To answer my question. You can find out in the textbook. Someone else. Okay? You can find out in your textbook. Right? What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? Who can? Okay, quickly. The first me. Okay.
I think his preview me story is change the time.
Change the time, right?
Change the time or change the grammar in mini story.
Or
Change the grammar
change the
in mini story.
grammar. Okay. That's called change the time or change the grammar. Okay. Right now, to help you to understand deeply this mean, I have a example for you. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have learned the lesson? You have to learn the lesson a kiss.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And firstly, we call Carlos by the new car. It's very expensive car. It's huge, blue and fast car. Why driving down the street? Carlos sees the girl on a bicycle. She has long hair and is beautiful. Okay, this is the
Present
hands. Okay, present tense. And right now I change the time. Okay, I change the time by the past tense. Okay, Carlos bought a new car. It was very expensive car. It was huge, blue and fast car. While driving down the street, Carlos saw a girl on a bicycle. She had long hair and was beautiful. This is the past tense. And now I change the tense to the future tense. Okay? Carlos will buy a new car. It will be expensive car. It will be huge, blue and fast car. While driving down the street, Carlos will see girl on a bicycle. She will have long hair, and will be beautiful. This is the tense. Okay. Do you understand? This means?
Yes.
Okay. Point of view story means. Okay. You change the time or change the grammar. Okay. By present tense, past tense, future tense. With how many tense do you have? Do we have? 12 tense. Okay. Okay. I have to show to you three tense. Okay. Pretend. Do you understand the rule?
Yes.
Okay. So the next question is how do you learn? How do you learn with rule number 5? Okay, how to learn with rule number 5. On the same, how do you use point of view stories? Okay, how do you use point of view stories? Who can give me my question? Give me, okay? Who can give me? Right now, okay? You can think about it. You can find out in your textbook to answer my question today. Okay? How? Okay? Do you understand my example?
Yes.
Okay. And now, okay? Okay. You.
I think I'm not master mini story. Yes, and I can understand about 12 tense and 3 tense.
Okay. Master mini stories.
And master grammar, master 3 common grammar.
Common grammars.
For example, past,
For example, present tense.
Okay, the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Okay, anything else? Okay, specifically. Okay, I will have you to understand because some people say to me, it's very difficult to understand rule number 5. Okay, I will show to all of you to understand that. Okay, you see, teacher AJ Ho created many point of view stories. Do you understand?
Yes.
Point of view story. And firstly, teacher AJ Ho tell the present tense, and then he changed the time, okay, to the past tense, and then he changed the time to the future tense. And what to do? Okay, you must listen. Okay,
Yes.
you must listen to the point of view stories audios. Okay, listen to point of view story audios many times. Firstly, you listen to the present tense audios, right?
Yes.
And the second, you listen to the past tense audios, and then the future tense audios. Okay, you listen until you can master. You can speak English without thinking. Okay, when you want to speak English with the past tense, you don't think about the grammar rules. Okay, remember that. You don't think about grammar rules, but you speak correctly the past tense, the present, the present tense, the future tense. Okay, and remember that you must focus on listening. Remember that listening until you master all of them. Okay, don't focus much more pressure. Okay, pressure. Okay,
Yes.
don't focus on much more pressure. You listen to, and feel more relaxed. Okay, feel more relaxed when you listen to the audios until you can master all of them. And Don't be worrying, okay? Don't be worrying all of them. You just listen to and relax until you put it in your brain deeply, right? The same that you learn crazy English method. You learn many paragraphs, okay? You learn many paragraphs and many lessons until you can use it easily and quickly without thinking. You can come here and say, "Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself." Okay, you can speak English without speaking and translation. Even though you speak the past and the present and the future then. Okay, you don't think about grammar rules, but you speak English correct grammar. Correct grammar. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And the next question is why? Okay, why do you do this? Okay, the same. Why do you learn rule number 5? Why do you do this? Why? If you don't know why, you don't do this. Okay, the same. If you don't have a goal, okay, a goal when you learn English, you don't focus on learning English. Okay, and the answer is why do you do this? Why do you learn rule number 5? Why? Okay, you must answer why. Why do you do this? Okay, who can give me the answer? Think about, okay?
I think when I learn this rule, I can speak English without thinking, without translation.
Okay. Speak English without
studying grammar rules.
Okay, very good. Studying grammar rules. Studying grammar rules.
And I can understand what the speaker say automatically.
Okay.
Understand automatically.
Understand?
Automatically.
Automatically. Understand automatically. Very good. Anything else?
I don't have to focus on analyzing English or
Analyzing English.
think about the grammar rules.
Okay, analyzing English. What does it mean, analyzing? Very good. Analyzing. Because some people, some students always focus on analyzing English. We learn many grammar rules, 12 times, okay? That will help you to feel terrible. Okay, terrible. To feel terrible. Anything else?
Well, I think when I learn this rule, I can feel more relaxed.
Feel more relaxed. Okay.
I can learn English grammar correctly and exactly. I can learn English grammar correctly and exactly.
Okay, very good. Learn
English grammar correctly and exactly.
Exactly. Yes. Okay, very good. Remember many bonus. Okay, many bonus. When do you focus on this rule? Focus on point of view stories. Okay, you can speak English correct grammar. Okay, you can speak more and more easily, quickly and automatically. You can understand automatically without studying grammar rules. Remember that. You don't learn grammar rules, but you speak English correct grammar. This is the best way to learn English grammar. Yes or no?
Yes.
Of course, this is the best way to learn English grammar. Okay, I have studied the method, okay, and I can speak English very well, and I can speak English correctly without studying grammar rules. That's why I choose 7 rules to teach you, okay, to teach you, to help you to understand deeply, okay, the way to learn effortless English system, okay, effortless English method, okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, that's all for rule number 5. Firstly, you must understand what is the rule number 5. And the second, you must understand what does this mean? Okay, what does this mean? Remember, we change the time. We change the grammar. We change the time, we change the grammar. For example, the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Many times you can focus on. And the next, you must understand the way or how do you learn with rule number 5. Focus on listening. Remember, listening is 80% of your learning English. Remember that? 80% of your learning English. Okay? I spend a lot of time to listen to the audios, to watch videos. Okay? I spend many time to listen to the audios and watch videos. Okay? That's we focus on 80%. Okay, if you understand, you focus on 80%, you will improve your English speaking much more, right? And the last, you must understand why to do this. Okay, why to do this? You must understand when you focus on rule number 5, you learn English grammar correctly without studying grammar rules. Remember, grammar rules, okay, that will help you to hurt, okay, to hurt. Yes or no?
Yes. Hurt.
Why is it hurt? Okay, hurting or killing, right? Hurt, okay, that will to hurt your English speaking. If you focus on grammar rules, you will speak more and more slowly. Yes or no? Yes. You must think about the present tense. You must think about the past tense, the future tense. Okay. For example, when you want to say, yesterday I gave my friends many flowers. But if you don't learn the effortless English method, and you must find out that what is the tense that I choose to speak. Okay? You must think about many things. That's why you focus on point of view stories. Okay? We don't focus on analyzing English. Okay? You will feel more relaxed. Okay? You will learn English grammar correctly and exactly. Do you understand?
Yes.
How many percent do you understand?
100%.
Okay, all of you. Okay, remember, that's all for today. Okay.